Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, grab your device and open the Cash App. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of icons. Tap the clock icon. That takes you straight to your activity page. This page is like your transaction hub. It lists everything: deposits, withdrawals, purchases, you name it. If you've just made a Bitcoin transaction, it'll likely be sitting pretty at the top. But if it's an older one, no worries, just scroll down until you spot it. Here's the key. When you send Bitcoin out on Cash App, it's labeled as a withdrawal. So, look for those withdrawal transactions. Found it? Awesome! Tap on that withdrawal to pull up the transaction details. Now, look for an option called Web Receipt and give it a tap. That'll open a detailed view of your Bitcoin transaction. You'll see all the juicy info here: transaction status, amount sent, receiving address, and more. But what we're after is the transaction hash ID. Check under the transaction section for a long string of letters and numbers in blue. That's your unique Bitcoin transaction ID, your golden ticket. Next to that hash ID, you'll notice a small white copy icon. Tap it, you'll see a quick copied notification. That means it's now on your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need it, whether it's for verification, sharing with someone, or just keeping for your records. And that's it. You've just tracked down and copied your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. Easy, right? Thanks for watching.